guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Mahi Mahi. Or basically just a Mahi. I don't know what they call it, Mahi Mahi. Alright, so first thing we're going to do for the Mahi is we're going to draw a line right there. Down to there. Up to there, down. Kind of like a little S shape. Actually, no, not even an S shape. Then we're going to draw a half circle and another circle in it, and that circle is going to be colored in. Then we're going to draw 1, 2, 3 lines. Then we're going to draw a line, his lip, which is going to go down to there, like that. Then this line from earlier, I'm going to make it go all the way up here to here. Make some like little bumps, then like that. Then one's gonna go up there, smaller, taller, and yeah. And then that's gonna go up to here, and then down to there. Then right here, gonna draw a line that goes right to there. Then a little line right there, like that. And I'm gonna kind of like that, but in a little smaller shape, right there. Then that's like some of the face, because all we have to do is just draw the rest of the body. Right, but right here we're gonna draw a line right there, and that line goes up, then that one goes up, then that one goes up, and then they get longer and longer. Sorry. And then we're gonna go up here, down to up to here, and make it go all the way down here. And then we're gonna stop right there, and then I'm gonna go up here, make a line right there. I'm gonna make it a little spiky. Now we're gonna draw some lines in there. Then we're gonna make a line right here, goes to there, continues there, and there, to there, to there, to there. Then we're gonna line right there, then to there, to there, to there, to there. And I'm gonna continue that. We're gonna make this line a little wider. The line from earlier, we make it a little wider. Then we're gonna make a line right here until we reach right here. Cause then I'm gonna make the fin, which is gonna be a couple of lines. Then go down to the middle, then even more lines. Line right there. Then I make a line that goes up, goes down, and then goes to there. Then even more lines. Alright, that is your sketch wall. Now time for the outlining. Not time for that one. So you're gonna need a black for the end, a green, a little darker green, another green, a bluish color, like another bluish color, and then another blue color. So these, they don't have to, but they should be all your colors. But also you're gonna need like a greenish yellow color. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first we're gonna draw the little blue spots on it. So I'm gonna fast forward through while I'm doing that, and then we would actually get to color. Alright, I drew all of them. Now you're gonna grab one of your blues and then just color some of them in. Not all of them, just some of them. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And that can go. Then another blue. Just color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that can go away. And your other blue, you're gonna color in the rest of those dots. Then that can go away. Now for your greenish yellow, doesn't have to be, it could just be yellow. We're gonna color in all of those fins parts. And right here, this is also gonna be yellow down there. So then you're just gonna make a little squiggly line down there. Then you're gonna color them. Alright, but you don't color on those parts because that part's gonna be blue, and you also need a blue because we're gonna be coloring in that. So one of the blues from earlier, take it back. Also, you're gonna color in like this part right here, but later we're gonna make it green. You're also gonna color in the lips. Alright, now that can go. Now for one of your blues, go down here, color in that. Then you're also gonna color in this part. Then we're gonna go up here. I'm gonna go around this. Go to here, up, 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 up. What you're basically gonna do is just color all of this. Then that color can go away because we're not gonna eat anymore. Now time for greens. So this little dark green is gonna be used for down here. Down here and down here only. And that can go away. Then for both of your greens. So what are you going to be used for, like this part? So it could be like a half, like this. Because at the top, the other green is we use for the top. I may just grab a yellow for like just some of the other coloring on it. You don't need to, I just am. I got some other colors just to like color it in. Right now, I'ma just do and that's basically your entire not swordfish, Mahi. Hope you like it. See you in the next one. Bye.